For today's video, guys, we have bags and we have also jewelries. And our jewelries is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to show you guys our jewelries for today's video. But for today's video also, I'm going to flex the jewelries we're wearing. We have a Carter inspired 18 carats choker. Ayan siya. Ganyan po yung suit niya. And then we have our ring. And then we have this butterfly ring. Okay, so yan po ang ating jewelries for today's video. First, I'll show you first the bags. So here, so our bags, they're just cheap ones and just Michael Kors. But they are leather and soft leather. So we have this one. And the tassel is detachable. I want to get rid of this tassel. I don't like looking at it. This is soft leather, black color. See? And two-way, still in good condition. Malinis. Ganyan po siya. Ganyan. And comes with two-way. And then we have also another one like this design, but the color is cream. So we have this one, guys. But this one would be mine because I love the color, plus cheap, and when I go anywhere, I'm not scared to use it because it's just cheap. Yeah. So same lang din yun to. And then we have also another Michael Kors, but this one is two-way. A two-way messenger bag. So this is a what? Michael Kors. Maganda pa to, guys. Malinis. Ayan. Ayan siya. Diba? I think this is 190, 180, I'm not sure. So that's our bag. That's just our bag. And then our jewelries, I'll show you. Let's come close a bit. Aray, aray. ganyan talaga yan siya guys, para check ka talaga yung ano niya. Kasi parang ano pa, parang ganun. Parang naka-ano, tawag niya. So okay, first we will start with this one. We have here 10 grams, 6 W cut na bracelet. Sa mga malalaki ang wrist, this is perfect. So, yeah. And then, next, oh God, guys, this is so beautiful. We have here a necklace, pearl necklace. Thrilling talaga yung ano niya, yung pagpapakita niya sa inyo. So this is our necklace. Ganda, diba? God, ang ganda talaga nito, as in. Okay, so naputol yung video ko kasi may natouch ako na hindi ano. So ito yung jewelries natin guys. So, ang ganda, napakaganda niya. Ano to, may diamond dyan sa ano niya, oh. Tapos may pearl, tapos may heart dyan, may ano. And then, ito naman siya, alam niyo pag sinasabing heirloom, mga pamana, ito talaga ang perfect na pamana. And this one, is that one. Ruby with diamond. Diba? Ganda nito eh. And it comes with the ano to siya guys, very old. Ang amoy nung ano niya para talagang ano, pero siguro ang may-ari nito is mayaman na Haponesa. Ganyan yung ano niya, oh, yung certification niya. Wala ang brand. Kasi napakaganda talaga nito. But this one, my husband loves this one, so he doesn't want me to sell this. He wants me to just keep it for myself daw. Wala, bongga. Maward na talaga yung husband. Maka-perform na talaga ako dito ng Kamasotra. Yan. So yung jewelry natin guys is, ito lang yung available. Okay? Kasi yung dalawa is for me. So, yan yung ating bag. Yan. Yan naman ang black. At ito ang ating marker, of course, na ano. Tapos yung jewelries natin is pack na pack talaga siya, guys. My God. Tingnan mo siya. Ang ganda talaga niya. Yan, ruby and diamond. Tapos ito naman yung isa. May mga diamond siya. Tapos ito lang yung available natin guys. Kasi Okay, so that's all. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. So yun lang yung available natin for today. And if you're interested with my choker, mura lang to siya, 1.3. Pwede layaway 300 monthly hanggang matapos. I just want to get rid of this one because there's a story behind this one and I hate it and I don't like it. So if you're interested, please message me. Okay guys, so that's all for today and thank you so much.